What is up, YouTube? It's finally warming up a little bit. It's about 47 degrees out here today. I just had to get this thing out and ride it, make sure the gears work. The exhaust sounds awesome. It looks awesome. Don't really have any plans for where I'm going to go. Let's try a cold startup. First of the year in the native environment. Yeah, my neighbor's out here wondering what the hell I'm doing. They're always curious. Just go and ride a motorcycle, dude. Okay, I haven't even put this in the gear at all, so hopefully the transmission works. Let's see what we got. Yeah, she went into gear. It's moving. She sounds nice. So maybe we'll tool by two-wheel Punk's house. Give him a little rev, see if he's around. Yeah, it took me a little bit to figure out where two-wheel Punk's house was from his videos. I don't usually travel these roads too often. But he found my house right away, which should be easy enough. If you know Eau Claire. If he still lives in the same house. So when I put this video up on Friday, it'll be pretty much my 1-year anniversary for doing YouTube. Got well over 200 subscribers, not too bad for an old fat guy riding one of the coolest bikes on the internet. I got well over 180 videos up. Over 100 of them are cycle videos, and of course got the gaming videos up too. Okay, so the game plan for the next few weeks on videos is the one after this will probably be me tearing the ECU out of the bike. As soon as I get done with this ride, I will be putting the bike back in the house and starting the tear down. Send the ECU in, get it flashed. I don't know what that all details. I have never ever done anything like that, but I'm going to learn as we go. Then after the ECU build, I will have the air filter and install that. That looks pretty complex. Well, not really complex, but time consuming. So get a video up on that, and then hopefully by the time those two videos are done, I'll have the ECU back and in the bike, and the weather will be nice, and we can start making some real videos. So you'll definitely see a reduction in gaming videos once I can get out and ride. I'm not going to have a set schedule for the summertime for releasing videos. Just make them as often as I can. At least, well, not at least, but probably like every other day, because it usually takes like 4 to 6 hours to edit a video, and I have a regular job, so I can get out and ride one day and then edit the next, and then ride, edit, so forth and so on. But if I do get a lot of good content in one ride, I can sometimes make 2 videos out of it. Just have to wait and see how things go. Like last year, it was all random. Just put up videos when I have content, and we'll go from there. Stoplights are out here. That's interesting. Wonder if they had a power failure or something. Yeah, they must have. Oh, let's see, this one's out too. Interesting. Oh yeah, all the businesses are shut down too. Weird. A lot of people turn their heads. I can hear the pipe coming. Let's go back in here and see if we can get a photo for Instagram. Little rev bomb action. Oh, can't even go to my Instagram spot. Yeah, we'll park over here this time. Okay, let's go make a tunnel run because we can. We're not going to get a clean entrance onto the freeway. Just stay behind a slow car. Dang, I won't even be able to get a clean entrance on this either. Damn. Let's put this bad boy away. Yay! Endless log at 7333.